people and tend to gravitate toward Connotate as their data supply chains become more and more sophisticated, because Connotate can handle much more of that process than most of the other products in the market. When the people who are in the information industry come to address this problem, what they find is that Connotate is thinking about it the same way that they are. It's thinking about it from a process of, how do I use tens or hundreds of people to manage, thousands or even more agents to actually harvest data? How can I do this effectively with people who are of moderate skill, not of people who are advanced programmers? How can I do this in a way that automatically runs as much as possible? Connotate performs a variety of magic tricks, if you will, that increase the productivity and the effectiveness of people working to create a system to harvest data at scale. The core innovation of Connotate is that it looks at web pages the way a person looks at them. And so it's identifying the abstractions that the people who design the pages are creating. By doing this, it's able to create a much more robust system for recognizing the information on a page. And from the get-go, when you create a Connotate system or agent to recognize something, it will actually last longer and will break far less often than using other approaches. In addition to the visual processing of the web pages, Connotate is able to do the transformation of the data. It's able to do the change data capture of the websites. It's able to perform a variety of transformations so you can deliver the data to where you want it. You can also manage this as a process. It's got a management console that allows you to look at the entire end-to-end process and monitor how well that's going on. There's a whole pipeline of processes that are involved in this, from creating the agents, from dealing with thousands of those agents, from monitoring their effectiveness, from understanding when they've broken, from moving the data from them through a pipeline. And all of that is an enterprise quality sort of process that is not something that is easily done. It's this sort of productivity and efficiency that what is making a product is all about. I mean, the reason you make a product is to conceal the complexity of an activity under the covers. And that's, I think, what Connotate does a lot better than many of the other products out there.